Hi guys, this is G12 from GetMax, and this is Android TV box. Yeah, 1 gig cable, and comes with 8K Ultra HD, 4 gig of RAM, 64 GB of memory, the Bluetooth 5.2, Android 12, and it comes with voice recognition and Wi-Fi 6 as well. 2 USB, HEVC, which is the H.265, and CPU Cortex A53, and the GPU is a quad core. Let's open this. This is the unit itself. It's called GetMax, and this is glossy with the X, which is glossy. Right, looks pretty nice. And there's a logo which is G12 over here. On the left side, yep, there's 2 USB 2, and there's a micro SD card slot, and behind this for you to put your power cable, DC 5 watt 2 amp, and there's an optical slot to connect to your older home theater systems. There's a HDMI input as well, yeah, to connect to your TV or your monitor, and there's an Ethernet port here for you to connect to your LAN cable, which goes up to 1000 megabits, which is a 1 GB LAN cable. And this is the AV for you to connect to your wired headphones. And below, underneath here, you can see there is some vents here, yeah, for you to dissipate heats. This floor stand here is a little bit higher, yeah, which is good, yeah, so that the heat can dissipate efficiently. And this is rubbery. So I got the 3-pin plug. So depending on your country, they will give you different plugs. Yeah, comes with a HDMI cable as well, and a remote control. And check out the user manual, which is in English, and this is the one in Chinese. I think it's the same content. You need AAA batteries. Yeah, 2 pieces of it. There is 2 buttons here, which is customizable. Means that you can actually put as a shortcut. Yeah, for example, you want Netflix to be here or YouTube to be here. Yeah, you can do that. This is for your TV. Yeah, you can change the volume of your TV here and on off your TV here. And of course, this is to on and off the TV box. Yeah, this is settings. Yeah, and this is a menu. And of course, you have some directional keys here: up, down, left, right, and OK. And it's actually quite nice to press. Okay, then you have this volume higher, volume lower here. It's pretty simple to understand. And this is return, this is home, yeah. And of course, this is to delete whatever you have typed. So this is the voice recognition, yeah. So click on it, then you can talk to the remote and search for your contents. Alright, other than that, I think all this is just numeric buttons, yeah, for you to go to different channels easily. And this is for you to mute the sound faster. Yeah, just click here, then it will mute the TV or the TV box. And this is a mouse. And another one. And we're done. So, HDMI cable is in, power supply is in. Let's start the power. Okay, there's a red dot there. And let's check out the startup. Look at that, the animation. Okay, to set up remote control, press and hold 3 seconds. 2 buttons together, yeah. OK, and also the volume down button. So these 2 together, press for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. There you go. All I need to do is just press next. Yep, and there's so many languages that you can set. There is Hong Kong Chinese, China Chinese, Taiwan Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Spanish, Portuguese, Indonesian, Vietnamese, Philippine, and France. Let's go with English. Next, I can either insert the network cable, but I'm going to use Wi-Fi, okay? So I'm going to set up the Wi-Fi, and So it's connected successfully, and I just need to press next. And yep, I just need to read this and complete. That's the disclaimer. And there you go. Almost finished setting up, yeah. You already have a Netflix here and also a YouTube here. And this is Netflix. I can choose to install or not to install, yeah. It's up to me. You can also add different apps, yeah. And let's say you want to add, for example, this one, then press return, then this is already added for you. Of course, below here, you can still add on more apps if you want to. Say, for example, internet, yeah, I don't want this one, and file manager, and clock, and miracast, and system update, for example, yeah, all 5 together. Press return, then all this is installed for you. Over here, you can click on all apps to see all of them. Let's get to this part. On the top here, there is several buttons for you to use. First, the browser. Yeah, you can search for anything you want from here. Google browser, internet speed test. So my internet, I'm using a Wi-Fi, and internet router is not too far from the TV box. Come back here again, and next will be help. Yeah, so you have any problem with your hardware, playback, internet problem, software problems, you can always ask for help here. And self-starting management, so you can select which one you want to start. Yeah, if I would just like to start Action TV Live, for example. Yeah, so the moment I start this box itself, it will automatically start that app for me. And set quick launch. So over here on these two, there's 2 buttons. So I can select the red one. I can select app, say for example, the Action TV. All right. And over here, I will set to Action Kids. Yep. So the red one will be Action TV. The orange one will be Action Kids. Yep. So that's where you start your quick launch. Yeah? And this is Bluetooth for you to add more Bluetooth devices such as your wireless headphone, your remote controllers for your games and whatnot, yeah, or even your wireless microphones. Okay, this is the clean memory. This will clean up, make your TV box faster. All right, and this is network settings. You can always change it if you have a new router or you are using a Ethernet cable, network cable. Yeah, you can always change the network settings there. And this is the remote control. Mobile remote control is a smart app that operates box from your cell phone. Yeah. So all I need to do is just scan and download the app. Yeah. Let me just try. Scan this. Open it. All right. Then I can actually download the APK file. Yeah, and use it as a mobile remote from my phone. Yeah. Okay, next would be more settings. So I can also change wallpaper. Yeah, let's click on it and see. You can actually have it manual or auto. Auto means it will rotate these several pictures every 30 seconds. Yeah, you can also check. Let's see if I change more manual. Okay, I can change to 60 seconds, then you rotate, or even 600 seconds. I think I just leave it to auto. Yeah, for now. Auto, that means it will automatically change for me without me selecting anything. Then this is disclaimer. I think we have already read it during the setup earlier. And this is settings. Yep. You can set your device name, set your network here, Bluetooth, and apps, device preferences. I think it's good to have your certain things to be set up right now. Yeah. Say for example, the rest I'm not going to touch on. Display and sound. Okay. And advanced display setting, HDMI default. Okay. Output mode is You can either set it as auto, yeah, that would be the best one, because it detected it as 1080p only. But if you put auto, yeah, it will automatically set according to what you have on your TV, yeah, so which is 4K right now. Okay, so adjust screen size. Yeah, you can just adjust. If it's not correct, you can adjust it, yeah, to make it maximize on your screen. So the rest I don't think I would want to touch. Okay, so the rest I think is okay. So the rest here is more or less normal Google settings. Okay, so that's the settings. So this is adjusting the screen. I think this is the same one I showed you earlier, just that it should have a shortcut over here. And you can install the apps that you do not want. And you can set the time, which I do not need to. It's already automatically set for me. And you can change the language. Yeah, it's not just during the setup. You can also change the language now. Okay, so this is projection screen. So if you have a phone with you, an Android phone, then you can use the Miracast to display whatever you have on your phone over here. Okay, and you can also reset the whole box, but I'm not going to do that. I already set it up, so I'm not going to reset it. And you can click on update, yeah, and to see if there's any new update, you can click on detection. There's no new version detected. It's already the latest, so I do not need to do anything on that. And this is the file manager. Yeah, say for example, if you have any videos or music that you want to put it into your watch it from this box, you can actually search for it from the file manager here. Okay, so that's about it on all the settings over there. So let's get to Action TV. So once you're in this Action TV, you can opt to watch live TV, replay, recommended contents, movies, TV series, kids, animation, variety show, sports, documentaries. Yep, check out this one. Play. All right, and fast forward, yeah, immediately it comes out, yeah, pretty fast. Press play. Fast forward. Pause it first, and let's see. Subtitles, I can change it to English, Spanish, France, Indonesia, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Portuguese, Indian, Tagalog, Vietnamese, Chinese, yeah. So let's say I want English. Yep. So there you go. Play. And see that? Yeah, actually nice, yeah, and very, very clear as well. Using the remote control here, I can click on this button here. There's a microphone button. Let's talk to it, yeah. Zombie. I think it's, I need to switch the input method first, yeah, on the left. Let's change it to US, English. So you can actually recognize me as using English. You can also talk to them in different languages, yeah. So let's try again. Zombie. So anything related to zombie will just jump out. Pretty cool, yeah. Ghost. Yeah, anything about ghosts will come out. So there's another one, Action Kids. So over here you can watch all the kids live TV. Say for example this one, kids content. No, I don't update first. There you go. About this. Again. So yeah, that's something educational, yeah, for kids. So guys, if you think you want to use the remote control mouse, click here. See that? There's a cursor here. So you can just select based on movement, yeah. Pretty cool, yeah. To change it back, just click here. Then it's back to using buttons again. And guys, look at this. When I click here, there is backlit, yeah, meaning that there's some lights in the remote control itself. So when you're in a dark place, you can easily use this, yeah. So in the Action TV, you can actually select them, yeah, as your favorites. At all, okay. Then go back, and you can go to this on top here and click on favorite to see this again. This will be appeared on your favorite list, yeah. Do not want it to be there, just click here again, then it will be not in the list of your favorite anymore, right? And that's off this. To off this is just simply click here and it will shut down itself.